Importance of electrical maintenance. Mostly electrical maintenance is neglected, yet it is crucially essential. Electricians are only called in case of a new installation or a noticeable problem, usually associated with some part of the wiring, connectors, or fuse board. You should know that timely maintenance can play a crucial role in ensuring the safety of a building. Therefore, routine inspections help to detect any underlying problems, thus ultimately saving both assets and money. Here are some prominent points to convince you about the importance of electrical maintenance. Assets protection. Since new technology is such a critical part of today's industry, it must be protected and shielded from electrical disruption. Therefore, any damage to these assets may result in a significant setback for the business. A broken circuit or socket will quickly destroy a high-cost piece of equipment, thus resulting in an expensive repair cost and potential downtime. Furthermore, there is also the risk of lost productive hours. Maintenance would cause problems to be fixed quickly and in advance, thus preventing the device from requiring comprehensive repair or replacement due to undetected issues. Also, an electrical system inspected regularly would most likely have an increased lifespan than non-maintained ones. Equipment that electrical disruptions can damage includes 1. Computers, data servers, and televisions. 2. Office devices such as photocopier, printer, and scanner. 3. Kitchen equipment including fridges, dishwashers, and hot taps. 4. Decorative lighting and ceiling fans. Essential electrical maintenance precaution. By doing routine electrical repairs, you can reduce the risk of new problems developing. Furthermore, this will also prevent existing ones from getting worse. Faults may be identified and corrected with routine monitoring, even before they pose a problem. An electrical inspection can be performed on both the general electrical wiring and individual appliances. When it applies to testing appliances, it is known as portable appliance testing. The frequency and specifications for appliance testing would be determined by the type of building and the equipment used inside. Avoiding loss of time. In general, if a piece of machinery is damaged, it is not used until a temporary solution can be employed. Nevertheless, some machinery may affect the company's overall operation due to a single failure. For example, if the electricity in your communications room went out, the whole infrastructure operation would shut down. So no telephones, laptops, Wi-Fi, and incoming internet networks will be available. Therefore, even the simplest of failures can have the most disastrous of consequences. They might even result in destroying business or causing huge losses. Thus, they should be avoided at all costs. Therefore, regular maintenance can ensure that these failures do not occur. However, if they do, they can be addressed to ensure they don't become a concern. Electrical maintenance ensures safety. One of the most important aspects of any business is its safety. However, if you do not do enough routine maintenance, you are putting yourself and your co-workers at risk for injury. You will be able to ensure everyone's protection by conducting periodic checks. There are plenty of hazards that may result in damage and loss. Possible hazards include 1. Overloading of electrical systems resulting in damaging important devices. 2. Damaged sockets or wires. 3. Incorporation of extension leads. 4. Destruction of lighting and other equipment due to voltage issues. Any of the above may pose a danger, which may result in electric shock or fire. Regular electrical maintenance addresses these conditions and creates a resolution strategy. This design should not only ensure safety but should also save time and money. Greater energy efficiency. Any electrical wastage may contribute to excessive costs. To avoid any potential consumption issue and reduce energy wastage, an electrical maintenance engineer should regularly assess your energy consumption. This will ensure that your bills are accurate and are not excessive due to any wastage. Additional energy efficiency could be achieved by 1. Replacing outdated lighting equipment with modern and efficient ones. 2. Installing well-organized heating systems. 3. Elimination of unused devices, like old printers and scanners. 4. Buying energy-efficient equipment. Electrical maintenance summary. The significance of routine electrical testing and repair cannot be ignored. Regular maintenance and upgrading of equipment will not only save time and money, but will also ensure the safety and protection of the people around it.